Okay, grab them while I got them. Walmart Razer SX Edge. I think these are pretty cool. Actually, I found them at Walmart recently, and there's some more blades. And I took the original, just standard blade style out to put that one in because I really like that. I think that's cool. So what these are, of course, you can see right here, OEIP.ON, and then you got 300 and 301 on there, and it's got the Ozark Mountain logo, but it says Razer SX3, SX330A. So when the knife is open, you press this little button up here, and that releases the blade that you can pull out and change out to other blades. And this looks like the same profile as all the rest of them, the original changeable razor blade knife. And it's a liner lock. Opens and closes very smooth. I think it may just be washers. I don't think it's on bearings. Uh, yeah, I don't really think it's on bearings. The liner is skeletonized. Again, it's a liner lock. It's got some finger gimping on the liner release, and it's a ball detent. Uh, and you can't really get the blades except for here, and I mean it's pretty well stuck in there. So I think that's all great. Um, Outdoor Edge is what it's called. It's tip up carry, and the clip is not reversible. The screws are inset. It's a pretty decent clip, so I think it's a really great knife to be having to knock around with. I think it's pretty cool. A buddy of mine, I seen he had one, and I've been wanting to get one. And every time I go to Walmart, they either wouldn't have it, and they wouldn't sell me the display, and they didn't have them in stock. And so I saw them at a Walmart near me, and ended up grabbing them. And so it's a great utility knife. I think it's something that would be very, very helpful to have laying around, especially with that razor blade. Just go get you another pack of razor blades. There's one here that's got I don't know if you can tell, but it's got serrations, which I don't like. And another one just a standard profile without serrations. And then you've got this sheep's foot style blade. This which is the one I've got in here. So this right here is really cool. I saw it and decided that I really needed to check it out. If you want to see more about this knife, let me know, and I'll do a more detailed video on it. So right now I've just got a bunch of knives, and I'm trying to knock out the videos on opening them up, taking a look at them, and seeing about, you guys tell me what you want to know more about. So if you like this stuff, I would ask that you would subscribe. I appreciate you sticking around this long, and I hope to see you next time. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.